beautiful. I really like it. I really want it. Oh no, but it is too expensive. I do not have enough money. I have an idea. I will sell lemonade to get money and buy it. I will make good lemonade so people will like it. Fresh lemonade here. It is cool and nice. Who wants to drink? Oh.
Cold soda here. It is better and cooler. Come and buy.
Oh no! He is selling next to me. What should I do now?
The customers will come to me. You cannot sell anything.
I will not give up. I will try my best to win. Okay, let us see who will be the winner. Sigh.
Soda! Get your refreshing soda here!
Oh, thanks!
Next in line, soda's coming right up.
Fresh lemonade here. Please come and try. It is very cool and good. No one is buying. Next up, who wants a refreshing soda? Me! Here you go. Enjoy. Everyone, come here and drink lemonade. It is very hot today. Why does no one buy it? I feel sad. I tried my best. See, people like my soda more. My shop is very busy. Cold soda here? You will like it right away. Just wait. It is not over yet. I will find a way. Maybe I can make my lemonade better and more special? I will add honey and mint. It will be better. Honey lemonade with mint here. It is very cool. Who wants to try? Oh, I'll take a large. Me too, with extra mint. Coming right up. Here's yours. It looks so good. I will try one. It is so good and cool. I like it very much. Give me one more. I want to buy more. I cannot believe it. My customers go there. I must get my customers back. I cannot lose. I will do something in secret to stop him. Here's your lemonade. Freshly squeezed. Time for a little extra flavor. Oh no! It is a rock! There is a rock in my drink! It is not clean. I do not feel safe. This shop is not clean. I will not buy again. My lemonade is very clean. I did not put a rock. I will not buy here. I always make it carefully. Please believe me. I will buy soda because it is safe. No, I must find why there is a rock. I did not do anything wrong. What happened? Why are you sad? Tell me. Someone said there is a rock in my drink. But I did not do that. I am very careful. I believe you. We will find the truth and show everyone. I must do better. I will make a new drink that is better. Wow. I can't wait to try it. Snow lemonade here. It looks nice and tastes very good. Lemonade, come and get your fresh lemonade. Me, over here. Can I have one too? This drink looks so nice. I want to try it now. It is really good and cool. I will buy more for my friend. Great! People come back again. I did it. No way! He has many customers again. I do not like this. I will do something again to make him fail. I will not lose. No one can see me. I will do it fast. What is that? It is so strange. I'm just gonna like him. Give it! You did this! Got you! What are you doing? Why are you here? What is this? We made a plan, I hid, and I saw everything. It is not me. I did not do it. You are wrong. What about this pebble? The proof is clear. Do you still deny it? Oh! We compete fairly. Why do you cheat like this? That is not good. You should stop. I am sorry. I just want money to buy a toy I really like. A toy? So, you are like me? Yes, I really want it, so I did something wrong. Let us work together, we sell together, and buy the toy together. Then we can play together. It will be more fun. Thank you for forgiving me. Let us work together. We can make lemon soda together, and it will be very good. That is a great idea. I like it, and we can do it together. Lemon soda here. It is very cool and special. Who wants to try it? Welcome, everyone. What can I get you? A lemon soda, please. Ha! We sold everything. We have enough money to buy the toy. Let us go now. I am very excited. We did it! I really love this toy. Let us be friends and play the game together. It will be fun. If you like this video, please like and share. Don't forget to subscribe and follow us.